listen, welcome to country living. I'm taking what is given. I'm taking this finger licking. I was raised on fast food ribbon. Front porch eating grinning. And as long as I'm here, I'm drink some beer and keep my country folks jigging. It shows the city just what they missing. Cooking brains up in the kitchen, asking us just how we did.
You got me all off porch.
Fixing, ain't good thing we slipping. Little shine and some fishing. Take it out running and how guns scare you like the dick. Y'all probably think we talk silly, right? Redneck and hillbilly kind of country's what we really like. Never like that old city life. Work it out on that west at night. Push it hard like you every fight. Birthday lights are dark and you get it till you get it right.
Yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big ribbon flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you the son of the South, I said yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big ribbon flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you the son of the South, I said yeah.
South GA, Southern storm, Southern praise. Don't make fun of my Southern ways. Get down, get loud, drink all day. I'm on my way to my money hoe. Get cotton over that money hoe. Snapchat calling, homemade bite. All I need is you to hold the light. Yeah, one shot, double out buzz. Back in my truck, filled up with blood. Tailgate down, big rack shining.